Good morning, my lovely bobbies. It's 10 a.m. here in Hyderabad, and we're going to the buffet breakfast here at Leela. Let's go see what they have to offer. Shefali ki nazar already donuts pe pad chuki hai. One donut eating another. I've gone with some fruits, smoked salmon, and grilled chicken.
Oh, grilled chicken.
Yeah, there's a grilled chicken and zucchini salad. Do you want some?
Yeah, I'd like some.
Obviously, her first bite is going to be from my plate.
I like it.
Done with breakfast, bobbies. It was a decent breakfast. Nothing fancy, nothing bad. I wouldn't say it's up to the usual 5-star standard that we've seen,
Yeah.
but they did have everything that you would want. But taste-wise, live counter foods were lacking a bit.
Yeah, they could have been a lot better.
Alrighty. We've changed our clothes and it's now time to head out for
Lunch.
That's right, bobbies. I know you guys are thinking that all we're doing is eating and chilling. That's exactly what we're doing, bobbies. We ate breakfast and now we're heading out for lunch. Okay, that's what we're here for. We made it to Antara, bobbies. Everything in Hyderabad is like 20 minutes away. The roads are very nice here, bro. This is what it looks like, bobbies. Very pretty looking restaurant, right? This is a Nalgonda mutton fry and this is a Guntur Kori kebab. This is tandoori. This is stir fried. Decent, but that Guntur kebab looks insane. It looks super spicy. Let's check it out. It's spicy. It has a late kick to it. Okay, bro, I'm dying. It's too spicy, bro. Guys, I was about to leave after eating those starters. I went to the hand wash, cleaned myself up, but while walking back to my table, I saw a lot of people eating a mutton pulao. Okay, and that changed my mind. So I've ordered one more item. Let's see how that is. Hopefully, it's not as spicy as the starters.
We even called for the bill actually after the starters.
So let's see what it's like. And bro, after this meal, I really want to just go to a cafe or something.
This is the most Bangalore thing he said.
What is this spice, bro? I washed my hand for a solid 3-4 minutes. And the crazy part is she's the one who ordered the spicy item. She didn't even touch it.
No, I ate one.
Half a piece.
3/4.
Half. Here's the military mutton pulao, chef. I am not using my hands anymore because my fingers are burning. Mid.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it either. Done with the meal, bobbies. All in all, 6. You left something? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. You left your hair clip. Bro, I love playing with hair clips, bro. I just take it and I just put it on my face, my lips, everywhere. I don't know why I get some weird pleasure out of it. My mom's hair clips, I would just take it and I keep doing this. I mean, she wouldn't get to see it only. This one time, okay, when I was in kindergarten 2, UKG, I took all my mom's lipsticks and painted an entire wall. Entire wall.
Bro, your mom should have slapped you left and right until you couldn't breathe. You are spoiled because of her.
So I did that. I painted the entire wall, like all the lipsticks that she had, expired ones also, fresh ones also.
Bro, I was the kind of girl who was scared of my mom. She'd scare me with her eyes. She'd be like,
Hey, you know Mohammed Siraj is from Hyderabad.
yeah, I know.
He has his own restaurant here, you know that?
Yeah, I know. Like there's a lot of hype about when he bought his first car, first house for his mom. This, right?
Mia, bye. Guys, I love Mohammed Siraj. He's RCB blood, okay? He might not be in RCB anymore, but we love him.
Where is he now?
He's in Gujarat. Guys, we finally found a spot where we can walk. Hyderabad is not a very walkable city. Roads are huge. Trees and all are there. But there's no footpath only, da. Like literally even now I'm walking on the road. Fortunately, not too much traffic on the road, bro.
And so, like the roads are so big, bro.
Yeah, roads are massive here. At least here in Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills area.
Yeah. Bro, here someone honks at me and says, go back to your state. I'll be like, okay, I'll go.
Good muskon pora. Yesterday you said poda, right?
Yeah.
Had you said pora, that would have been Telugu.
Yemra.
Pora. So we've now come to Konsu for some desserts. We've been to Konsu in Bangalore. We like it. It's a decent hangout spot. So let's see what it's like in Hyderabad. It's the exact same spread as Bangalore Konsu. Same to same. So what are we in the mood for? Something chocolatey or something cheesecake like? So this is what we settled upon, bobbies. A classic opera and a fresh berry trifle. Let's go for it.
Yeah.
Let me see what this is like. There's a vanilla sponge, then there's some cream and there's some fresh berries. I like it. अब भाई चलते चलते हम आ चुके हैं एक लेक पार्क के पास. Do you want to do boating?
No.
You know how cute it will be.
Yeah, but you get all wet.
That's what I like to hear. If you come boating with me, I'll give you 1,000 rupees. 1,500 I'll give you.
No, I can't risk it. You go, I'll take your pictures.
2,000 I'll give you.
5,000.
5 I can't. No, 5 I can't.
Dude, if I don't receive that 2,000 rupees in the bank account, I am going to comment on your YouTube video.
You'll shit comment, huh? Got it, Bobbies. 400 rupees. So you pay 400 for your boat and then 400 deposit. Let's go. What happened?
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go?
If my coach bag even gets a little wet, you're buying me a new one.
How much is your coach bag?
20,000 upward.
Alright, Bobbies. Let's do this. Safety first. Oh, I hope this fits me, huh? I've become a little bulky now, no? Oh, it fit. Alright, Bobbies. Here we go. Shefali and I on a paddle boat. I don't know if this was a good idea because I'm cycling and my knee injury is kicking in hard. भाई गोवा में हम लोगों ने कोई वाटर स्पोर्ट नहीं किया. हैदराबाद में आके हम लोग लेक बोटिंग कर रहे हैं. Shefali is driving. I am chilling.
That's what we do most of the time. Can you please pedal, Mohit? Bro, it's moving. Can you pedal?
Moving where?
Bro, the boat is moving.
Where will it move?
I'm getting scared. Why does...
Wait, crocodile, crocodile.
What bullshit, man.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Mohit.
Okay, chill.
This is why I don't like to do all...
Okay, pedal fast. Mr. Perfect. He's Mr. Perfect. We'll hit them. Bro, race. Oh, they're calling you back. Okay.
Yeah, you can go with
Randy. Okay, let's leave.
Raja.
Do you still need the money?
Yeah, obviously, where is my 2,500?
The promise was if you get wet, I'll give you the money.
No.
Nice water light show they're doing. You want to watch? We are finally going to Nilofer Cafe to try out the bun maska. This was the #1 most recommended spot by you guys. So let us go see what the best chai and bun maska in Hyderabad is like. Cafe Nilofer Bobbies. But what is this crowd? Is that a line, chef? Is that a fucking line? Hectic crowd, bro. I have gotten 2 full chais, 1 bun maska and 1 single piece Osmania biscuit. Guess the cost of 1 tea, chef?
40 rupees.
70.
Huh?
Yeah, 70 for this chai. Let's go for it.
Better
Cheers.
be gold, huh?
Better be gold. Again, just milk and sugar. Let's try the bun maska though. Again, this was very hyped. Oh, okay. Look at the maska, chef.
This looks like actual butter.
Uh-huh. Nimra is better, bro. No doubt. Right? Bro, I'm starting to realize that most places in Hyderabad are running on pure hype.
Yeah, literally, guys. What the fuck?
Yeah, like Nimra was actually decent.
Bro, that was good. This was milk and sugar chai, bro. What are you all on about? You all have not drank proper chai or what? I'm sorry if I'm offending you. Take offense.
Bobbies, I came back to the hotel, took a shower and changed into this nice fancy shirt because dinner is going to be at the Leela itself. You know, in this nice fancy shirt, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling Mr. Perfect. Hey, yo, Mr. Perfect. He's Mr. Perfect. Mr. Shefali, what's my other name?
Mr. Perfect.
Perfect. He's Mr. Perfect. That's me. Is it Adi or Adi?
Adi.
Are you sure?
It's not the, it's the.
This is what the vibes are looking like here at Adi or Adi? Adi. So we settled upon Adi. These are the vibes, Bobbies. Here's where we're doing dinner. Some table snacks to begin with. Tomato rasam and fryams. The rasam isn't that hot, but all the heat is in the glass. It's a good conductor of
Heat.
Great. Smart chef is. Starting the meal with patthar ka gosht, Bobbies. Shefali has never tried it. How come?
I don't know.
She didn't even know what patthar gosht meant. It's basically meat cooked on granite.
Wow.
Nice?
Yummy, bro.
Oh wow, my fork just went through it.
Wow. Wow.
That's good.
Look at these curtains.
Nice curtains, no?
Wow.
Very pretty. Okay, focus on the food. Our biryani is here. This is like the 10 millionth biryani we're eating in Hyderabad.
Never eating a biryani again.
Yeah, I'm gonna give a biryani break for at least the next 6 months after this.
100%.
So this is a mutton biryani. Looks good to me, honestly. Very mellow flavor. I'll need that mirchi ka salan.
Yes. This is nice.
The salan is nice?
Yeah.
You take the raita because I know you like raita a lot. You know another person that likes raita? My friend Zero, who by the way hasn't replied to our messages in the last 1 year. He ghosted us.
Does he watch your vlogs?
I'm sure he watches my vlogs.
Okay.
Zero.
Hi, Zero.
Yeah, Zero, if you're watching this, fuck you. Ending the meal with a cheesecake, Bobby's lemongrass cheesecake. Let's go for it. It looks beautiful. Mr. Perfect had a very perfect dinner. A fitting end to my Hyderabad trip.
Yeah.
That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.